Hi friends, today we are going to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, and you can see we are shooting this video from Keshavpuram metro station onwards. So from Keshavpuram we'll go to Inderlok, then Liberty, Chandewala and Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. Now we are approaching Kanayanagar metro station. Delhi metro has started this week only. After a long holiday for Delhi metro employees due to coronavirus. Today is Monday, 14th of September. It's almost 1 week and the ridership in metro is somewhere around 60-70,000. Just 60-70,000. Whereas when the Delhi metro is running normally, the ridership is somewhere around 20 lakhs per day. But as of now, as I mentioned, it is somewhere around 70-80,000. On day one when it started, the ridership was just 2,500. Now whole Delhi metro is operating except for the airport line. Right now it is 7:25 in the morning. Today I got up somewhere around 4:45 in the morning. Why so? Generally I do not get so early in the morning, but today because I had to go to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, I woke up during the Brahma Muhurat. Now what is Brahma Muhurat? Many of you may not be knowing what is Brahma Muhurat. In Punjabi it is called Amrit Vela. Now those of you who are on the YouTube can search what is Brahma Muhurat. It's a very big concept. And I intentionally woke up in the morning around 4:45. That was during the Brahma Muhurat. First of all, you should know what is the importance of getting up early in the morning, and that too during the Brahma Muhurat. There is a very famous quote, early to bed, early to rise, makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. It's a very right quote. And as per Indian tradition, Brahma Muhurat or Amrit Vela, whatever you may call, during Brahma Muhurat, the cosmos energy is at a peak, is at its peak. And if you wake up woke up during this time and do something constructive and useful, the cosmos will help you in gaining those goals, those objectives of your life. The most important thing during this time is you should simply get up, just get fresh. If you can take bath, well and fine. But doing brushing and whatever need be is fair enough. But what you need to do is you should not create noise, you should not disturb others in your family or in the neighborhood by putting loud bhajan mantras or whatever. Just get up, get fresh, sit down, doing the Brahma Muhurat, do some meditation, some chanting of mantras within yourself if you feel like, and do what you feel is constructive for your life and the society at large. Now, Brahma Muhurat starts when it starts. So calculate what is the sunrise in your city, wherever you are in this world, and minus 48 minutes from it. Like today in Delhi, the Brahma Muhurat started at 6:06. So if you minus 45 minutes, that is the time when that is the time when Brahma Muhurat is going to end. So 48 minutes before the sunrise is the time when the Brahma Muhurat is ending. So when it is starting, it lasts for around 48 minutes. So 66 minus 96 minutes is the time when it is starting, and 66 minus 48 is the time when it is ending. So that is how you can calculate the Brahma Muhurat. It is easy, you can get it in the YouTube, not a big deal. So I woke up in the Brahma Muhurat, did meditation for some time. Though it started somewhere around 4:28, but I woke up at 4:45 because I'm not used to getting up so early in the morning, but I'm trying to change some habit. I did meditation for around 15-20 minutes, and thereafter my usual shows and something on the net and my useful things. Took bath. After tea and getting fresher, now I'm going to Bangasa Gurdwara. We just passed. Okay, now we are about to reach Liberty Cinema Hall, which is very popular. You people should read about Brahma Muhurat, it's very good. On my left is Delhi's Raya Rola railway station. On my right, I will get Liberty Cinema Hall. We are approaching Liberty. On right you can see is Liberty Cinema Hall. walas in Delhi are restless guys. Create so much of chaos on the road. See these auto people. See, overtaking, creating chaos on the road. Now he's moving to the left lane. Okay. We are going to the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. I go every month, at least once in a month, for the last 20 years. No, for the last 17 years. Our country is passing through a very rough shot, not just because of Corona or threat looming around our borders with Pakistan and China, but something very disturbing even at home. Like right now, September, we are fighting with drug menace in Bollywood. Now, people may say that Rajput and Riya Chakrabarti's case should not be given so much of importance on TV channels. I agree. But then it is not just about Rajput or Riya Chakrabarti. It is about drug menace, drug trafficking, child trafficking, prostitution in Bollywood. It's rampant. Bollywood is spoiling the culture of our country. So we are protectors of society. The government at large need to protect the society. That is what the government is for. And that is what the court is for. Judiciary and union government are an important pillar, so are the state governments, and so are the local bodies. But then at the top we have Supreme Court, and then at the top we have union government, and above union government is the President of India. Whatever is happening in Bollywood right now, and whatever has happened, murder, Rajput, our secretary, links, political nexus, links between the two murders, big wigs, big fishes involved. Something is wrong. I'm not taking anybody's name, and we should not. Being responsible citizens, everybody is important in the society. I'm not saying Bollywood is not an important thing. Rather, Bollywood has got so much importance in our country, what it do not deserve so much. People worship, hero worshipping, especially in South Indian movies. Many politicians have come from the movies. You know, many. So Bollywood or movies at large in India, be it South Indian movies or any movies, have a lot of influence on the Indian mindset. So the Indian mindset the Indian people do not deviate from the right ideal path, because right now we need to prosper economically. Not because we want so much of luxury, so much of rich lifestyle, but now we also understand that the war with China in the international society, you do not need only military might, but you also need economic might. So the Indian mindset deviates because of drugs, prostitution, or anything negative. We are in doldrums. Now we are going to approach Jhandewala Mandir on my right side. After this green light is the Jhandewala Mandir, very popular mandir. Every month I go to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara, and me and my wife, we never forget to bow in front of this mandir. Very popular mandir. See, this autowala is not giving side. So now look at this beggar. He's not having hand. During Corona time, lot many laborers during lockdown forget jobs. After some days of lockdown, they realized that they will not get jobs, and the lockdown last for a longer time. So out of fear, they start migrating from Mumbai, Gujarat to their hometowns in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Bengal, and like that. Many died on the way. They did not got even transport. They were just simply walking. Only one guy from the Bollywood we remember, Sonu Sood, who came out in open and arranged transportation, food and whatnot for these laborers. None from the Bollywood. I don't want to abuse them, though I want to. None of them came out to help the needy. Forget Bollywood. Even the state governments at large in India did not help the poor. Now I'm going to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. Look at the Punjabi community. When I say Punjabi community, I do not mean only Sikhs or Sardars. I mean even Hindus, even Muslims, all those who are connected with the land of Punjab, the geography of Punjab. I'm talking about Punjab in India, are called Punjabis. And among those, especially those Punjabis, Hindus and Sikhs at large, many Hindu Punjabis, almost I can say all, they do go to Gurdwara. They go to Mandir, they go to Gurdwara also. Right now, right from my childhood, I've been going, my family has been going. So, why I mentioned Gurdwara is, Gurdwaras, they serve the poor. Not only during Corona, I'm talking. Gurdwaras, by their origin, by their principle of existence. Gurdwaras, all Gurdwaras, they serve the poor. Many big Gurdwaras have 24/7 langar going on all the time. Many big wigs, at least during the daytime. Lunch, dinner, we will get meals for Chilsi. Now I am going to Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. There is a big langar hall. Bangla Sahib Gurdwara langar is very popular. So is the langar of Golden Temple, Amritsar. Now, why I mentioned Gurdwara in Corona times? Even in Rohini, I saw Agarwal Dharamshala. As you can see in many of my videos, they served the poor. Now, I'm debating again from Bollywood to Gurdwara and langar. What has Bollywood done for the country? Except for these drug parties. If they have made motivational movies on the army, movies on India-Pakistan border about they made movies. That is the profession. That is the bread and butter. But how many hospitals, schools, colleges have the Bollywood made for the country and the society? If they have so much of good association, when these big rich Bollywood people can join together and enjoy the drug party, can't they come together and make some hospitals or colleges or schools for the society at large? Shame on Bollywood. They don't even pay their proper income taxes. It's not about politics. People are saying politics, Shiv Sena, BJP. These are political parties, they will do politics. Bollywood people are professional, they will make movies. But if you do something out of beyond your profession, that is called if you have done something for the society. Well, friends, while we are talking, we have reached Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. This is the famous church on my left. Every Christmas we come here. Now on my right is Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. I'm going to park in the basement parking of the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. We have reached. Bangla Sahib Gurdwara is on my right. We are going to the underground parking of the Bangla Sahib Gurdwara. Very wonderful parking. Now this parking is almost around 5-7 years old, made with a memorandum of understanding between the local government and the Bangla Sahib Authority, Gurdwara Authority. It is free.